Hello friend, welcome back. In our previous video, I have already discussed about that things with you, how can get all the data from your database with using that eloquent ORM, and here how can visible it, right? So now in this video, I want to do the same things with using that query builder. Okay, so how can do that work? I show you. It will be just like that same. Better I make it as a comment out. And now I want to use that query builder. So if you want to use that query builder, first of all, that concept will be just like that same. I take one of the variable as a categories. Okay, I take one of the variable as a categories because of all here I have already passed it. So I take it one of the categories as the same name. If you want to change it, you can change it. Okay, so now I want to do, after that, if you use that query builder, you have to use that DB, right? And DB which table, so that is our table. From which table you want to get all the data? I want to get all the data from our this table, that is our categories table, right? So now I copy it and now I save it. That means right now I want to get all the data from our categories table, right? And also if you want to get that same as the latest data, then you can also add it. Okay, so if you want to add that latest data, you can add this latest. So here better I want to add that as a latest. Okay, latest data I want to get, so that is our get. Perfect. So that's all you have to do. So now I get all that our latest data, and I get it, and I take the things I get from our categories table, and I take the things with this variable, and I pass this variable data, that is our with the compact, and I now use it into the index, right? So into the index I have already displayed. But here when you're using that as a query builder, that means when you're using that query builder, our this function will be not work like that way. I have already discussed about that things with you before. Like if you click as a save all, now if you refresh it, it should be show some of the error. You can see it's not showing our same error because of all here right now where we are using as a query builder. So that is our query builder, right? So if you use that query builder, then you have to use change. That means here you have to change it. So better I want to make it as a first bracket, and after that you have to use that carbon, right? So which I have already discussed about that things with you. So here you have to use that carbon, CRB1 carbon, and then the backslash, and then the carbon, and then the press, right? So that is a carbon press. So that's all you have to do. So now if you click as a save all, if you now click the save all, now refresh it, yeah, everything is great. So now it's perfectly getting all that our latest data, and it's now visible it on here. So as I told you friend, you can actually do that things with both of this way. You can use that with you can get this data with using that eloquent ORM. You can also get this data with using that query builder. Okay, so here I shared both of this. I hope you enjoyed very much. So now in our next video, I want to add the designation. How can add that designation? How can working with this? In our next video, I will show you that things with a live example. So thanks for watching. I will see you in the next video.